Hey everyone, my name is Musa Khan, and I really enjoyed taking the class this semester, and really felt as though I was able to be exposed to many online learning strategies that I thought were super helpful, especially given the current climate. I think that there's a lot of different things to consider in terms of being a more effective student and really being productive during this time, and I really think that this class definitely taught quite a bit about how to really be a better student and really be more productive in all my classes. And so here, I have my ePortfolio, and so I kind of have my label of Musa Khan's ePortfolio here, and the different pages that I have are my about me, learning technologies, and the key takeaways. So let's go ahead and go into the about me first, actually. So, if I'm telling you a little bit about myself, I'm a third year industrial systems engineering major within the IBE honors program here at OSU. I'm very interested in different careers such as strategy consulting, venture capital, and technology roles, as well as companies. And so, my goals for this semester were to definitely build a comprehensive set of learning strategies. And I really enjoy a variety of different things on the side, including tennis, basketball, sports, and really anything sports related. Just a fun fact about me is I also started up my own business in high school. Um, so if we go into some of the learning strategies here, really the recommended learning technologies that I had here in mind were three different ones. So Notability, which is the logo shown here, Trello, and the Study Scheduler app. And so really with these three different tools, I think it would make sense if I dive in a little bit more deeply into each of them. So Notability is a really nice application that allows you to write notes using your stylus from your Apple iPad onto your device and then save those into a variety of different folders. So I think that's really helpful for a variety of different classes and also even for taking tests. And it really can keep all of your different notes very organized, and you're able to refer back to them at any given point, which I have found to be very helpful. The second one I wanted to highlight here was going to be Trello. So I think that Trello is an excellent tool because it really allows you to plan out your different tasks and activities. And so here we have like kind of a screenshot of what Trello looks like. And really what that shows is, kind of the different boards that you get to set up here. And you get to stow the status of your tasks, assign due dates on them, and place them into like a done category. And then the study scheduler app here is an app that allows you to assign due dates and times for assignments. And so, this application is similar to Trello, and the nice thing about it is that there are quite a lot of opportunities for you to put a lot of structure into these different assigned tasks. You're able to put the location, where you're going to do it, and so it's very helpful for keeping yourself organized. The takeaways that I have for this class are really into three main areas. So, firstly, set both large and smart goals. Secondly, enjoy learning and understand why you learn what you do. And finally, using technology tools. So, really, to dive deeply into each, what I really think is important here with setting large and smaller goals is that within these large goals, to have those subtasks, it really allows you to be structured and on track to complete what you need to complete on time. Secondly, when you enjoy learning and understand why you learn what you do, this is highly important because this allows you to really stay motivated and understand that there is going to be kind of an end result to all of your learnings. And then finally, with using technology tools, it's highly important to really use these technology tools to help you build the right skill sets and really accelerate your learning. So I really appreciate all the work and effort that all of us have put into this class, and especially the professor this semester. I really think he's done an excellent job. And so thanks so much for listening, and I really appreciate you all looking at my ePortfolio here. Thanks so much.